crispy chicken tacos made on the Blackstone. Let me show you how I like to do it. Now, I've done this before with beef and I've done this with shaved steak, like shaved ribeye. This is such a fun one. Basically, you've got green sauce. You're gonna be dredging some tortillas in it and loading it
like
up
birria.
with the goods. Exactly.
Like a birria hack.
It's exactly like that. So we've got some melty cheese. We've got some chicken that we've cooked to perfection and diced up. I like it small because it's easier with the bites. You don't have like a giant piece of chicken.
Worst.
We made this awesome like quick pickle pico. Fold these over, crisp them up on both sides. This is awesome.
Nice.
Now to plate this is fun. We've got a little bowl here. We're gonna add some of that green sauce because it's fun to dip. Everybody loves a good dip with their tacos. Well, I think they should if they don't. Either way, this is dressed beautifully with a little post dust. It's a must. You're gonna love these tacos. Welcome to the show, everybody. My name is CJ. Right over there is Nate.
Hey.
Right over there is Ethan.
Hey.
And right over there is your senior prom date.
Hey.
I hope it wasn't.
Wow, that's mean.
I take that back.
Dang.
I'm sorry. So glad that you guys are here. Today I've got a fun one. We're gonna be making some awesome appetizer style tacos.
Tiny tacos.
I've made steak versions of this. I've done just a beef, like a hamburger version of this.
Shia?
Today we're gonna do a chicken version, but instead of a red sauce, we're doing a green sauce. It's going to be delightful. We're gonna have so much fun doing it. If you don't have something to drink, be sure to grab something, because every time that bell rings, we're gonna take a sippy, go on a trippy.
I like that. I liked it. It rhymed.
Yes, it did.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
Chicken tacos. Let's talk about the chicken, shall we?
Gracias.
You know what? Actually,
What?
before we get to the chicken, I'm gonna talk about a quick little pickle. Quick pickle. I've got a
Really?
pico here.
A quick pico?
A quick pico pickle.
How about 2 cents?
I've got red onion, tomato, jalapeno, cilantro.
Okay.
Gonna add just a little bit of Charlie here. A little bit of
Charlie Sheen. I haven't heard you say that in a while.
little salt, little pepper. Actually, a little bit more salt. And we're gonna do garlic powder. You could do fresh powder. You could do Slopes Wicked Bros like fresh powder, man. Guys up for a breakfast burrito or something? I don't know. It's like whatever. We'll check it out. And we got a little sherry vinegar. Got a little sherry. Sherry, baby, sherry, baby.
The Beastie Boys, right?
Sherry, baby.
Come out. That's it, I'm out.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna set our
First album.
nice little quick pico.
Pico.
It's a pickle because we've got some vinegar in there. So I'm gonna let that sit and do.
Oh yeah.
Almost forgot.
Zelen.
Got a little bit of lime.
Coconut.
A little bit of lime use. Andy, you want to stir this up while I'm working on the chicken over here?
I don't.
Yeah, I love it. It's just like having an extra set of hands.
What are you, a magician?
Plus, what else is he gonna do?
Cute
So-
assistant? Jeez.
How about a magic trick?
Now for our green sauce, our verde sauce,
I like
you
it.
might say. I've got some green enchilada sauce here. You could go with this just as is. I'm gonna get it warmed up on a saucepan, leave it as is, or you could give it a little love. We're gonna do a little lime juice. I'm gonna put a little street taco in there, a little pinch of pepper, and we're gonna stir this up and let this continue to heat up as we get this this delicious chicken cruising.
You must really like chicken.
We've got some chicken cutlets back here, and we are going to.
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, appreciate that, bro.
Cute little assistant.
Great work, buddy.
Thanks, man.
If I had a magic show, you'd be my assistant.
What would the show be about?
It'd be about magic.
Obviously.
Duh. We're gonna season this up with a little bit of salt and pepper. If you guys have never cooked with cutlets before, I think it's awesome.
Instead of David Blaine, it'd be David Lame.
You were sitting quiet there. You were sitting quiet there for a second, and I know why. You were trying to let that work itself out.
Called a quip, not a slope.
Oh no! See, you
So how?
should have just let
Come
it be. You should have just let it be. You didn't. Now here would be the magic show where I somehow made it where nobody heard anything that you just said because
We are now
So-
dumber for having listened.
I award you no points, and may God have mercy on your soul. That's the real magic right there.
Okay.
All right, so
I thought the real magic was that we just found friendship and
We
friends.
That's the best part. We're still great
whatever.
friends.
It's great. Right over here's more magic.
Okay.
We're working on our 36-inch Blackstone over here. Gonna go down with a little bit of lubricant,
Okay.
and we're gonna get our chicken. I don't know why that was so weird to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't like it.
I didn't like it as well. If I was a magician and this was my magic show, I would take that back
Take
as
it
well.
easy, David Copperfield.
Stop it. All right, we need a minute to let the chicken
Trying to
cook.
think of all the other magicians I know.
We're gonna let it sit, let it cook,
Oddly enough, there's not
We'll
a lot of
flip it in a
famous
minute.
magicians.
I didn't tell her.
and I. Okay.
Okay.
I don't think everything gonna be Irie.
What?
Whatever he said. Hey, CJ,
Oh.
did you know?
That Bob
you
Marley was a
actually messed me
magician.
I was gonna do a Rastafarian accent for my Hey, CJ. But you.
Do it again.
No.
Ready?
Go for it.
No, I'm alright.
Now.
Nope.
Wow.
Did you know?
I want to hear this voice.
Nope.
No, because you can't do
Nope.
it.
Did you know that
Did you know
Bob
about it?
Marley's real birthday is different than the actual day he was born
Wait.
That doesn't make sense.
because his mom was just late, I guess, and like doing the official paperwork?
So on paper, his birthday is different than his actual day of birth.
There. Kind of like
That's what I
on
just
paper what
said.
my anniversary says. My wedding anniversary. We got married on the 26th,
Yeah.
but it's actually like the 28th or the 29th on paper. Don't tell Texas.
Why?
Because we got married.
with it.
We got married illegally.
Did you elope?
Nah, dude.
Cantaloupe?
We did watermelon. Our chicken is cooked perfectly on both sides. Dude, would you look at the sear, the seasonings?
yeah.
I'm going to pull this off, give it a few minutes to rest, to let all those juices chill and hang out for a moment. We're going to slice and dice this up. I want small bites.
Slice and dice?
Slice and dice.
Fucking no.
It sends french fries in 3 directions.
Okay.
Huh?
Huh?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
I've said it before, and I'll say it again. Man, I love being a turtle.
Now let's talk about our griddle.
Okay.
Excuse me, Poco.
I'm walking here! I'm walking here!
Got some seasoning here. It's a little burnt. I turned my griddle off because it was pretty hot.
Screaming.
So it was screaming hot. So we're gonna get this.
It was mucho caliente.
Yes.
Fuego.
Guys,
Como dices, no habla español. Un momento.
let's go over here. Tortillas
Corn. Okay.
in this
We've had this
application.
debate. This is the right move.
Okay, thank you.
Not that you needed my opinion.
No, because your opinion is usually wrong
No.
and dumb.
Okay, so you should use flour?
Yep.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Whoa.
Wait a minute. Hold the cellular phone.
Hold the mobile phone.
I was part of a special task force of very young-looking cops who infiltrated high schools.
Yeah, buddy.
You don't want to get it on that one little corner? Is
It's,
that
my
the trick?
fingers are there.
Well,
That's what tongs are for?
That's what shutting up is
hey,
for.
I like this.
Thank you, sir.
I'm a fan of this.
So we're gonna it's kind of like the Birria-Style of tacos.
It's like a hack.
It's a total hack. So this is like a green birria, if you will. Oh, I got a little bit of
What do you got?
seasoning.
How many of these are you doing?
You know what? We're gonna do a lot, but we're gonna start with 4. How about
Okay,
that?
I like it.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
This is
Hey,
great.
cheese.
Queso.
All right. So here we go.
What kind of cheese are you using?
We got some Mexican melting cheese here.
Queso fresco?
It is not queso fresco. It's literally
Quesadilla. Perfect.
Perfect Mexican melting cheese.
Do what they did to the Mexican dressing.
Yep.
Custard, of course. Andy.
Yeah.
Decent amount of cheese. I like it.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna grab some chicken. I'm gonna let you do my pico. All right. So
Hey,
grab there.
take it easy.
Oh no, I don't know about this.
So I'm gonna do chicken, and then
Yeah,
you don't get a bunch of the juice, but just the contents
The
of the
juice.
pico. I like the use, but you can get a little aggressive with the use.
You like a little bit of use?
I like a lot of it. You.
I get you, my dude.
I get you much use. All right. So, hey, you're doing a great job, buddy.
Thanks, buddy.
I never doubted you for a second.
Yes, he did.
A couple seconds, but not like a long.
Not like a
long
full
time.
10 seconds.
No. Just like a solid 3 or 4. All right, there we go.
So this is somewhere between a quesadilla
And a
and a taco.
It's like a crispy street taco.
Tacodilla.
CJ, you're making 4 tacos, but
I'm actually gonna make more, so this isn't gonna work.
5 here.
I'm gonna make like 8.
What?
Oh.
Stop trying to make fetch happen. It's not going to happen.
We're gonna start the flippage. We've already got the cheese melting.
Okay.
And
Whoa.
yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Whoa.
If you wanted to do this for like game day, you could do the really small street taco tortillas.
Betty did those recently.
Yeah, she did some cheesesteak.
Yeah, those were cool.
Those are fun.
But it was cheat steak. I just couldn't hear her saying cheat.
No, it was a cheese steak.
She said that it was a cheat steak.
No,
I get.
you just can't understand her because she doesn't
I
speak
swear,
right.
There was the cheat in there.
I don't think so. Now, while those 4 are cooking, I think I need 2 more. Nate disagrees with me.
No.
He thinks I have enough.
I do.
I don't.
You might.
You do?
Who do?
I don't.
You do, voodoo.
My knee is the babe.
Tacos. Speaking of tacos, these are all looking awesome. Crisp them up on both sides. Definitely want that crispy texture. You can pull them off soon and they'll be, but the soft, they're
They
gonna
look
fall
awesome
apart.
now, but you're right.
You gotta have the texture.
Give it a sec. Can't rush a crust.
That should be a shirt.
I'd say
It's a
that.
way of life.
I said that on Hussey Show.
Oh, nice. Well, then don't say
Get
that on
that
my
on a
show.
flip-flop.
These are done. Let's pull them off. They're gonna need a second because they're smoking hot. I've also got a little bowl here. We're gonna add some dippers. We're gonna get some of that green sauce, put it over here. Let's get this plate, let's make it beautiful. I'm gonna add 3 on each side. I'm gonna snug them in, and now we've gotta give it a little post dust, a little lime,
Make it
because
rain.
we're fancy.
Chocolate rain.
Make a chocolate rain.
The school books say it can't be here again. Chocolate rain.
That's good.
Let's see if it's cooled down enough to eat.
Dude, they...
Oh gosh, they're still so hot. Why are they so hot? Why are they retaining so much heat?
I'm not sure.
Oh,
Maybe they were on hot Blackstone.
maybe that,
Wait, I just
that
wanna-
might be why.
I'm gonna get down. Look how... Is it crispy?
It
Show
is.
me. Oh.
We've got some texture, we've got some crunch.
Do it again.
Mufasa. All right. So it's not a crispy taco like that kind of crisp, but it's crispy in like the quesadilla world, right?
It's like a taqueria. Taqueria.
Geez, it's still really hot.
Caliente.
All right, let's see how it is before we do the dip.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Hot?
Why is it so hot? Like, it's had at least 5 minutes to cool down. Allow 10 minutes to cool. You could go for some more sauce, but you don't even need it. It's if you dip your tortilla the way I did,
I'm excited to try this little dipper.
this is going to be so good.
It's a fun hack and a sauce.
If you did the smaller street corn tortillas, you could like pile them up, have it for a game day, have it. Honestly,
it.
could be its own dinner by itself. But either way, these are freaking delicious. Let me know how I did in the comments below. But speaking of comments, my friends, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
We're here. You did it. Welcome. So pumped that you guys stuck
did it.
around.
You made it this
You
far.
did it. You made it this far. This is the segment of the show where we screenshot comments from you, the viewer. If you guys write it,
We read it.
that's right, and we share it, and we have some fun. Sometimes it's nice, sometimes it's mean. We'll see where we get.
It's always fun, though.
Oh, this is from RBlane82.
Arby's. Hey, what's up, buddy?
Oh, Ricky B. He says Ethan totally missed staring. What?
At the
Ethan
sun.
totally missed staring the most important tiger fact.
And Rick missed elementary school.
Rick, you're dumb. Ethan totally missed staring the most important tiger fact. They hate cinnamon.
Tigers hate cinnamon.
Everybody knows that.
I do.
Everybody
I did.
knows that. You don't know that?
Is this a reference?
Ethan's.
Yeah, to tigers.
Duh.
Yeah.
Rick, go back to school.
Alan took a punch from Mike Tyson. Come on, for Doug.
That's from The Hangover, Mike Tyson, Tigers Hate Cinnamon.
Okay.
Can you do it in a Mike Tyson voice for me?
That's from Hangover. That's Mike Tyson. Everybody knows Tiger hate cinnamon.
Thank you.
This next one is from Alpha Zulu.
Alpha Zulu.
Yeah, it
Tango
says,
Foxtrot.
in between the movie clips, I learned how to make French toast. Kill.
Nice.
I imagined Alpha Zulu went, kill.
That's pretty cool.
Like, kill.
Yeah, can we do it?
No Dana.
Kill.
Only Alpha Zulu.
Oh, Zulu, you nut now. Come on.
What about Zaboomafoo?
Come along and see what's new. At Animal Junction, we're waiting for you.
The boo-boo.
What? I was just going straight Alf.
Never mind. I'll make a peanut butter sandwich. Where's the blender?
I was thinking Power Rangers.
I need Dragon Sword power!
We should just all stop. Oh, this is a good one. This is from Indie Boilermaker.
Two Boilermakers.
Two Boilermakers. Indie Boilermaker says, I'm not trying to be rude, but this CJ fellow can't possibly be this effing annoying in real life. My godson, you're obnoxious as F.
You're his godson?
If that guy right over there is...
If that's
Seabass.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Flo.
Hey, rude dude,
Rude
bag of
dude.
reaching food dude. Andy Boilermaker. You suck.
Is that a cardigan?
Pull over. Thanks for noticing.
You are one pathetic loser. No offense.
Oh, speaking of jerks, this is from Andrew McKinley. It says, this video confirmed why I skipped CJ's post. Give the cameraman a show.
What?
What?
Well, I guess it
Wait
has
a
been a
minute.
while.
Is that a fan of mine?
I don't think anybody's a fan of you. I don't know, but this was on the Bruce episode.
Wait, Ethan.
But I'm actually holding a camera while
No,
he...
you were directing.
No, I'm literally holding a camera right now.
Oh. Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Okay, so, all right, Andrew McKinley, who hangs out with Andy Boilermaker.
Yeah, I guess.
Shuck it, Trebek.
Shark what?
And that, my friends, is how we wrap up an episode of CJ's First Cooking Show. Thanks so much for hanging out with us.
Good.
We did have fun. We burned our mouths and our
look at
fingers.
this. Look at this.
But it was delicious. It was delightful.
It was really good.
Let me know how I did in the comments below.
Hammer
Are
another
you a
one
fan
over.
of like the green sauce?
Yeah.
Love the green sauce. But that's it.
That's all I got.
That's all I got. Go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and all things Blackstone related. Go to griddlenation.com for stickers, swags.
Swags? All
a
of
bag
them.
of swags.
All of them.
All of the
Bags.
swags. The
Bags
entire
of
bag of
swags.
swags.
How do you do, fellow kids?
What?
If you want to put something up on the OG board, let me know. Slide into my DMs on Instagram. I'll give you an address.
it
You
when
can
you
send
say
that
that.
to. But
Hurts my
speaking
feelings.
of sliding into the DMs,
What?
Terry White, Griddle crew member.
Barry White?
Terry White sent me all kinds of stickers, but there's Terry White, White House Griddler.
Oh, cool.
For sure is all. I've got so many that I'm going to put up on the board. Like,
Right now? I
he
gotta
made
come
all his
with
own
you.
stickers. Yeah.
Hey, let me see that one.
Which one? This one?
I don't know. I didn't see it.
Yeah, that one. He made,
Oh, that's crew.
That's it's a crew sticker.
I'm with you.
Let's see. I've
Yes,
got to
we
find
do.
a tack that I can repurpose because I don't have any more tacks.
And buys for you.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Take it easy on the police.
Will do, guy.
One.
Okay, come on. Jeez. All right. There we got it. I'll send a message in a bottle.
Message in a bottle.
All right, that's it, guys. We'll see you on the next episode, shall we?
Yeah.
We shall.
We should.